Today, we're diving into a cool STEM project that's not only fun, but also helps our feathered friends. We're making ice cream cone bird feeders. Let's get started. Crafting encourages creativity and teamwork. Plus, it's a great way to develop fine motor skills. We're filling these feeders with seeds. It's an opportunity for kids to learn about birds' diets and ecosystems. Watching these birds up close teaches kids about biodiversity and the importance of caring for our environment. Now the fun part. Placing these feeders in your yard attracts beautiful birds like blue jays. And just listen to them chat about the birds. Communication skills and curiosity are key takeaways here. The benefits of attracting birds? Well, they help control pests and pollinate plants, keeping our ecosystem in balance. Not only did we create a fantastic STEM project, but we also learned so much along the way. And the best part? We're helping our planet.